What's up guys, how you guys doing? Thanks for joining me back again on another video here. Today we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, how to start affiliate marketing the right, correct way so you can actually succeed and have a long, successful, profitable business. Okay, I'm going to take you through the steps, how simple the process is. I'm going to show you in 3 different modules that I have here, and then at the end I'm going to show you my own pages on how I actually go through the process as far as the sales funnel, our emails, and everything like that. Okay, if you guys are new to this channel, my name is David and I talk about affiliate marketing, passive income, and also other ways to make money online. So if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell just so you guys could get some more videos when they do come out. Okay, so I don't want to waste a lot of time in the beginning. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it here. So this is my main page. Let's go ahead and I'm going to take you to the basic, general, simple process. So I like to say simple because that's what it is. This affiliate marketing is simple. If you guys don't know what affiliate marketing is it's pretty much you as a marketer are going to promote a company's product and make sure and get the right person in front of the right product so they can buy it, right? That's all we do. We just market the product. We don't deal with trying to sell the product. We don't deal with shipping, customers, inventory, anything like that. We just market the actual product. We find the right person to put it in front of, or we put the right product in front of the right person, and if they buy, we make a commission off that, okay? So, simple process. If we're going to start off on the left here, you kind of see that we have Facebook, YouTube, TikTok. This is going to be where we're going to be grabbing our traffic from, okay? This is where we're going to be posting our links and grabbing our traffic. As you can kind of see that there's different social media platforms as well as search engine platforms, right? I personally use TikTok because that is actually what's in right now, and you can get crazy organic traffic from there that you don't have to pay any ads or anything like that. What I do is I go from TikTok, I grab my traffic, whoever's interested in what I'm promoting, and from here I either send them to my Facebook group so I could talk to them a little bit more and get to know them a little bit more, or to my YouTube channel and I can explain and talk about whatever I was talking about on TikTok in more details, right? Because I have a lot more time instead of just those 30 seconds to a minute to explain it. I also send them to my opt-in page. So the opt-in page is going to be the first place that you're going to be sending them to. Here, you're going to give them a, just kind of introduce to them, hey, my name is David. If you want to find out what I do or how I did it, go ahead and click on the next button. From here, it's going to send them, and this is where you're going to capture their email, okay? You're going to capture their email because what you want to do is you want to connect with them in a lot deeper connection. You want to actually play the long game, and I'll explain that a little bit more as we go on, okay? So now that we captured our email, you could actually email these people, whoever opt in, every day, every other day, as much as you want, right? For the rest of your life, as long as they don't unsubscribe to your subscription, right? So after you get them, after you get the info and the email, you send them over to the thank you page. The thank you page is going to be a little presentation, a little short video explaining to them what I do, how I did it, and you're going to actually introduce them to the next page, which is going to be the affiliate offer, okay? I like to think of it as the bridge page. That's how I was taught, and that's how I actually grabbed it, and I understood it a lot more. What's happening is I'm the bridge. The bridge page is going to be from before before you actually got to the bridge page, all you have been seeing has been my face, right? Talking about TikTok, talking on Facebook, on YouTube, or whatever, explaining this whole course or whatever offer I have. From here, I'm going to transition you from my face over to either to the product, to the offer coming up, right? Which is going to be the affiliate offer. So you don't want to lose the customer in the whole process, and that is why it's very important to have the thank you page. Send them over to the affiliate offer, and if they buy, which generally maybe 1 or 2% of the people that go through the whole thing the first time do, the other 98% don't. If they do buy, this is where you obviously make a commission, right? And of course, there's also, if different companies, whatever you promote, they have upsells or more training products or whatever, you obviously get more commissions, okay? Now, for the 98% people that didn't actually buy the first time, this is where the emails come in, and you'll be able to email them every day, every other day, whatever you have on your autoresponder, just kind of reminding them why they actually joined and opted in, gave you their email, right? There's a reason why they opt in. In my situation, I'm in the Make Money Online niche, right? So if they opt in into my actual account, that pretty much means that, hey, they want to make money either for different reasons. They want to send their kids to college. They don't like their job. They want to make more money to pay off their debt, or whatever the reason is, right? Here is where we're going to be reminding them, giving them value, giving them information on why they join and how it could actually benefit them, okay? Now, keep in mind, in these emails, a lot of people think that from these emails, you send them directly back to the affiliate offer. That is a big no-no, okay? Here in these emails, you're pretty much going to be teaching them, giving them value so they understand what affiliate marketing is, how it's going to help them in the future for whatever the situation is, okay? And I'll explain a little bit more on the next slide here on that, okay? So pretty simple. You kind of see this is a simple actual diagram, and this is all it is to it, okay? So right here, I kind of drew up the same, almost the same process, and you kind of see the same thing. Starts off with their opt-in, capture your email, and then you'll be able to email them every day. I do it every day, every other day, depending on the situation, right? From the actual capture email, you send them to the bridge page where you introduce them a short video, and I'll show you all this on my actual, if you stick with me to the end, I'll show you how it looks like so you actually get a better understanding on it. You go over to the affiliate offer, and then if they have upsells or whatever, right? Like I was saying before, if the 98% people that don't buy, you have their email, you could actually email them every day, every other day, but with value. Now, I know a lot of people say you got to give them value, but what is that exactly? What is that, right? I would say more than half of the people that opt in, they want to change their lives, but they don't know exactly what affiliate marketing is. They don't understand how they can make money online. They don't understand how we could actually help them out, right? In these emails is what you're going to be giving them information, providing value for them. So from these emails, you're going to be sending them over to your YouTube videos, right? Explaining to them in details, like I am here doing here, explaining to them what affiliate marketing is, how you can do it, how you can make money, right? You could also add in articles where other people have talked about it as far as explaining what affiliate marketing is, right? If they understand and what it is, how this program could actually help them and benefit them. Send them over to blogs. The biggest thing is you want them to understand and you want them to make a decision. You don't want them to force them to buy something. You just want to make them understand and see if it's the right product for them. Okay, also webinars. So after you send them all these value and this information, what it is, how you can make money online, how that actually changed my life and how that can change yours, right? And then that's when they make the decision to either, yes, I'm on board, I want to continue on and check out this product that you're talking about, or no, you know what, this wasn't for me, okay? Obviously, if it wasn't for them, they're not going to buy and they'll actually come off, they'll unsubscribe, or you can take them off their email list, right? So, but if they do, this is where you actually send them over to your affiliate offer, and if they purchase, you make a commission and so forth. So that's how we as affiliates make our money, right? Simple process, okay? Now let me show you my actual funnels, okay? So just to kind of be clarified, these on top, the opt-in, bridge page, affiliate, this is going to be a funnel. This is a funnel, a software funnel that we use. I personally use ClickFunnels, and I create my funnels and my pages in that software, okay? Down here in the emails, it's what we call an autoresponder, and we actually create our emails and we actually program them so they can be sent out whenever we want, right? For example, if a new subscriber comes in, I want to send out one email a day to that person, or every other day, whatever, right? So just to kind of give you an understanding on how this actually works, okay? So now let's go over to my funnel. So I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I post my funnel on organic traffic, right? Just different platforms, because what you want to do is you want to get your name out there. This is going to be what I said, it was my opt-in page. Discover how anyone can live the laptop lifestyle, right? Everybody wants to do that. Everybody wants to work from home to actually have more time to spend with their families, to make more money or whatever, right? So this is just a picture just saying that how I actually enjoy my time off with my wife. If you want the exact framework to create a 6-figure online business in your spare time, right? That is what's inside, okay? That is your opt-in page, which is right here. So I grab my traffic and they opt into my opt-in page. So if they want to continue, this is where you actually capture their email, okay? Let's go back up here you capture their email, and then from here you're going to send them over to the thank you page. So they put in their email. Once it actually comes in, that is your email, and you'll be able to email them information, value, and stuff like that, right? So now this is my thank you page. This is the bridge page. This is this is where I talk about the 2-3 minute video explaining, hey, you've been seeing my face on all these social media platforms. You're curious, you want a better life, you want to change it, whatever. That's what I did, right? You're going to actually introduce them from me, and I'm going to hand them over to my mentor, which is going to be Dave Sharp, as you can see up here, just so they don't get confused. I talk a little bit about myself, my story. You know, there's other videos here that explain their lives and how they were changed. Okay, cool. So they want to continue on. If they continue on from the thank you page, now we're going into the affiliate offer page, right? This is going to be the offer. And look, it's right here. So this is Dave Sharp, which is my mentor, and he's going to go ahead and take it from here, and he's going to go ahead and explain his product that I'm promoting, right? So he's the one that's going to sell it to him. So of course they're going to talk about it. I talk about the 15-day online business. This is what you're going to get, blah, blah, blah. And if you get it, okay, this is where they purchase. Like I was saying before, 2% of the people that go in probably are going to buy on the first time that they click into your funnel. The other 98% are not. So when we actually grabbed our emails, now we're going to go ahead and email them every day, every other day, to remind them why they opt in, right? You want a better life. I'm going to give you value. I'm going to give you information so you understand what affiliate marketing is, how it's going to help you, and I'm going to be sending them to my YouTube videos. I'm going to be sending them to blogs, to articles. I'm going to give them information, how they can actually better themselves so they could understand. And then from there, they're going to make a decision to either, yes, I do want to do this, or no, I don't want to do this. So that is, in simple terms, the correct way in order for you to do affiliate marketing. A lot of people, and I also started off in the beginning, okay? I'm no guru, but I also started off making my little mistakes as well in the beginning. And as you go on, you get help from other people in the community, from your mentor, and of course you learn from your own mistakes. That there's a right way and a wrong way, okay? I'm actually explaining and showing you the right way so you don't make my same mistakes, okay? So that's pretty much it, guys. It's a simple process. It does take work because it is a business. I don't want to say it's easy, but it is simple, and you can actually put in about an hour to a day to build your business. That's all you really need, and you'll start seeing results once you start getting into your groove, into your stories, and everything like that. Okay. Now, if you do want to go and become an affiliate for Dave Sharp, or take the 15-day business online, there's going to be a link down in the bottom. Okay. I have to put a disclaimer saying that this is, if you do click on it, I do get a commission from there. But from here, you are going to go ahead and continue on to the course, get the required training, understand what it is, and then move on from there. And then soon you'll become promoting their product. Okay. So if you guys have any questions, if I missed something, put it down in the comments down here in the bottom. I want to see what you guys think. I want to see what you guys didn't understand, and I'll definitely make another video. I want to go ahead and explain it, put it all out there on the table, explain to you how simple this process is, how easy it is to start. I'm not saying it's easy to make it profitable, and of course we're not going to be able to make it into a 6-figure business in 1 or 2 days, but as long as you put in the work and the effort, it will actually come and you will start seeing results. Okay. If you guys have any questions, please put them down in the comments. Like I said, if you guys are new, subscribe, like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next one.